a sword in my soul. The ice cracks beneath where the rivers roll. I carry the night, the stars on my shield. The world bends to light, the power I wield. Oh, the fire and ice collide. Oh, the tide of worlds will rise. Feel the frost fire rise. Feel the frost fire rise. Through the storm, through the skies. Frost fire rise. Frost fire rise. Burning cold, lighting guides. Dance in the ashes of the old days. Sing to the spirits that carve.
الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين. الرحمن الرحيم. مالك يوم الدين. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم. صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. ربنا اغفر لنا وارحمنا ولوالدينا ولأساتذتنا ولمن عاننا ولجميع المؤمنين.
يا من هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو الرحمن الرحيم الملك القدوس السلام المؤمن المهيمن العزيز الجبار المتكبر الخالق الباري المصور الغفار القهار الوهاب الرزاق الفتاح العليم القابل الباسط الخافض الرافع المعز المذل السميع البصير الحكم العدل اللطيف الخبير العليم العظيم الغفور الشكور العلي الكبير الحفيظ المقيم الحسيب الجليل الكريم الرقيب المجيب الباسي الحكيم الودود المجيد الباعث الشهيد الحق الوكيل القوي المتين الولي الحميد المحسن المبدي المعيد المحيي المميت الحي القيوم الواجد الماجد الواحد الأحد الصمد القادر المقتدر المقدم المؤخر الأول الآخر الظاهر الباطن الباري المتعالي البر التواب ثم مالك الملك ذو الجلال भी तेरे, खुदा मेरे तू बख्शिश कर, खुदा मेरे तू बख्शिश कर, खुदा मेरे तू बख्शिश कर।
भारत जननीय तनु जाते, जया हे कर्नाटक माते। जय भारत जननीय तनु जाते, जया हे कर्नाटक माते। जय सुंदर नदिवनಗಳ ನಾಡೆ, ಹೇ ರಸ ಋಷಿಗಳ ಬೀಡೆ। ಜೈ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನು ಜಾತೆ, ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ। ಭೂದೇವಿಯ ಮಕುಟದ ನವಮಣಿಯೇ, ಗಂಧದ ಚಂದದ ಹೊನ್ನಿನ ಗಣಿಯೇ। ರಾಘವ ಮಧುಸೂದನ ರವ ಧರಿಸಿದ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನು ಜಾತೆ। ಜೈ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನು ಜಾತೆ, ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ। ಜನನಿಯ ಜೋಗುಳ ವೇದದ ಘೋಷ, ಜನನಿಗೆ ಜೀವವು ನಿನ್ನಾವೇಶ। ಹಸುರಿನ ಗಿಳಿಗಳ ಸಾಲೆ, ನಿನ್ನಯ ಕೊರಳಿನ ಮಾಲೆ। ಕಪಿಲ ಪತಂಜಲ ಗೌತಮ ಜಿನನುತ, ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನು ಜಾತೆ। ಜೈ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನು ಜಾತೆ, ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ। ಶಂಕರ ರಮನುಜ ವಿದ್ಯಾರಣ್ಯ, ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ ಮಧ್ವರ ದಿವ್ಯಾರಣ್ಯ। ರನ್ನ ಷಡಕ್ಷರಿ ಪೊನ್ನ, ಪಂಪಲ ಕುಮಿಪತಿ ಜನ್ನ। ಕುಮಾರ ವ್ಯಾಸರ ಮಂಗಳಧಾಮ, ಕವಿ ಕೋಗಿಲೆಗಳ ಪುಣ್ಯಾರಾಮ। ನಾನಕ ರಾಮಾನಂದ ಕಬೀರರ, ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನು ಜಾತೆ। ಜೈ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನು ಜಾತೆ, ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ। ತೈಲಪ ಹೊಯ್ಸಳರಾಲಿದ ನಾಡೆ, ಡಂಕಣ ಜಕಣರ ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಬೀಡೆ। ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಶರಾವತಿ ತುಂಗ, ಕಾವೇರಿಯವರ ರಂಗ। ಚೈತನ್ಯ ಪರಮಹಂಸ ವಿವೇಕರ, ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನು ಜಾತೆ। ಜೈ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನು ಜಾತೆ, ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ। ಸರ್ವ ಜನಾಂಗದ ಶಾಂತಿಯ ತೋಟ, ರಸಿಕರ ಕಂಗಳ ಸೆಳೆಯುವ ನೋಟ। ಹಿಂದೂ ಕ್ರೈಸ್ತ ಮುಸಲ್ಮಾನ, ಪಾರಸೀಕ ಜೈನರುದ್ಯಾನ। ಜನಕನ ಹೋಲುವ ದೊರೆಗಳ ಧಾಮ, ಗಾಯಕ ವೈಣಿಕರ ರಾಮ। ಕನ್ನಡ ನುಡಿ ಕುಣಿದಾಡುವ ಗೇಹ, ಕನ್ನಡ ತಾಯಿಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ದೇಹ। ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನು ಜಾತೆ, ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ। ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ।
Is the sweetest of all things in life. May I now call upon Nasima Banu, HM of Sayyid Madani Kallap, on behalf of the management and all 4 schools, to deliver the welcome address.
Great welcome. Make a merry feast, says William Shakespeare. Respected chief guest, honored dignitaries, esteemed management, beloved teachers, and my dear students. A very warm and energetic welcome to you all on this joyful occasion of our annual sports meet. Today is not just about winning medals or breaking records. It's about celebrating discipline, teamwork, perseverance and sportsmanship. खेल हमें जीतना ही नहीं, हार से सिखाना भी सीखता है. Sports teaches that success is born out of hard work and failure is only a stepping stone to improvement. A sound mind lives in a sound body. This timeless truth reminds us that physical fitness is as important as academic excellence. Through sports, our students learn leadership, time management and courage to face challenges with confidence. Today is a joyous day for the students of the schools running under by Sayyid Madani Charitable Trust Ullal. We are all gathered here for the inaugural ceremony of our annual sports meet. It gives me an immense pleasure to stand here and deliver a welcome address on this auspicious occasion. Before beginning a welcome speech, I would like to take this moment to express our heartfelt gratitude to the President, Secretary and members of Syed Madani Charitable Trust. We are thankful to you all for generously providing us with such a beautiful, spacious and well-maintained ground. This wonderful space has given our students the opportunity to practice, play and participate in various sports activities with enthusiasm and confidence. It has not only enhanced our school sports culture but has also encouraged teamwork, discipline and spirit of health competition among our children. We are truly thankful to the management for their continuous support, vision and dedication towards the overall development of the schools running under by Syed Madani Charitable Trust, Ullal. It is our great honor to warmly welcome today's presiding person, Haji B.J. Hanifaji Sir, President Syed Madani Dargah and Syed Madani Charitable Trust, Ullal. Sir, your inspiring leadership, unwavering support for the education and constant encouragement for the sports and discipline have always been a guiding institution. Your presence today adds dignity and significance to this great celebration. On behalf of all my colleagues and the students, I wholeheartedly welcome you, sir. It's a great honor and a privilege to extend a warm and respectful welcome to our distinguished chief guest, Dr. Iftikhar Ali, Chairman of the Karnataka State Allied and Healthcare Council, a renowned and respected personality whose commitment to excellence and contribution to the society have earned him wide admiration. His outstanding achievement and noble service continue to inspire the academic and social community. On behalf of the management, teachers and students of Syed Madani Charitable Trust, I extend our most respectful and wholehearted welcome to you, sir. With great respect, I extend a warm welcome to our esteemed guest of honor, P.A. Siddappa, Assistant Sub-Commissioner of Police, who kindly received salute from the students during the event. Sir, we are inspired by your exemplary leadership, discipline and dedication. We thank you for gracing this occasion with your esteemed presence. On behalf of the management, entire academic fraternity, I extend a warm welcome to you, sir. It is our immense pleasure and an honor to welcome Santosh, Commissioner Police, Town Panchayat. Your presence today inspired our students to embrace discipline, teamwork and the spirit of healthier competition. We are truly grateful for your time and encouragement. On behalf of the student, teachers and the management of Syed Madani Charitable Trust, Ullal, I extend a warm welcome to you, sir. We are fortunate to have as our guest a distinguished personality, Muhammad Mustafa Madani Sir, Joint Secretary Syed Madani Dargah, Ullal, who has demonstrated exceptional leadership skills and has truly made difference. I, on behalf of the staff and students of Syed Madani Charitable Trust, wholeheartedly welcome you, sir. We have with us one more guest, Nazim Rahman sir, Treasurer Syed Madani Dargah, Ullal, a distinguished personality whose accomplishment testament to their unwavering dedication. On behalf of the teachers and students of Syed Madani Charitable Trust, I extend a heartfelt welcome to you, sir. It is our proud privilege to extend a warm welcome to Janab Imtiaz Hussain Sir, General Secretary Syed Madani Charitable Trust, Ullal. Your guidance, support and vision has always been a source of inspiration for our students and staff. We are truly honored to have you with us today, and your presence adds a great value and encouragement to our celebration. Representing the entire academic fraternity and the student community of Syed Madani Charitable Trust, I wholeheartedly welcome you, sir. Today we have with us Abu Bakar Mastikatte, sir, Treasurer Syed Madani Charitable Trust, to learn your dedicated efforts and wise guidance in managing the resources of our institutions have always supported the growth and success of our students and staff. We are truly privileged to have you here today. On behalf of the staff and students of Syed Madani Charitable Trust, I wholeheartedly welcome you, sir. Today we have with us the Syed Madani Dargah. We have with us honorable Dargah members and Syed Madani Charitable Trust members Abdul Qadir Ahudi, Rafiq Kodi, Ibrahim Khalil sir, Sharif Madani and Abdul Aziz and Mohiddin Kallab. We are very happy to have you all here as a chief guest. On behalf of the Syed Madani Charitable Trust, I wholeheartedly welcome you all to this function. We have with us the Gurumurthy sir, Headmaster Anandashrama High School, Someshwar, and Sumangala madam, Headmistress Islai English Medium School, who is a true leader and inspiration to all. On behalf of the management, staff and students of Syed Madani Charitable Trust, I wholeheartedly welcome you both to this function. It is a pleasure to welcome KMK Manjanadi sir, Headmaster Syed Madani Urdu Higher Primary School, Halekote, whose guidance and support is helpful to make this source of inspiration to the students and the staff alike. Your dedication nurtures talents and encouraging excellence makes every event meaningful. On behalf of the staff and students of Syed Madani Charitable Trust, I wholeheartedly welcome you, sir. Syed Madani Charitable Trust Ullal is having exemplary leaders. Here we have with us Imtiaz sir, Headmaster Hazrat English Medium School, Rasul Khan sir, Headmaster Hazrat Primary School, Abakar Circle, Sangeeta madam, Principal Hazrat Women's College, and Pavitra madam, Principal Tipu PU College, Geeta madam, Headmistress Tipu High School. A great leaders whose remarkable leadership, guidance and dedication have always inspired the students and staff to strive for the excellence. Your presence today adds a great value to our Sports Day inauguration celebration. On behalf of the management and the students, I wholeheartedly welcome you, sir. Here we have with us Ullal resource person Mohan sir. Your guidance, expertise and constant support play a vital role in enhancing the quality of education and nurturing the talents of our students. We are truly grateful for your support. On behalf of the management, staff and students, I wholeheartedly welcome you, sir. I extend a warm and respectful welcome to our dedicated PT teachers, Khalid sir and Rashid sir, whose tireless efforts, discipline and commitment play a vital role in shaping the physical fitness and character of our students. Thank you for your hard work in making this event successful. On behalf of the management, one more PD, Ashraf Madani. Ashraf sir, he's a PT from Madani School. Thank you for your hard work and making this event successful. On behalf of the management, staff and student of Syed Madani Charitable Trust, I wholeheartedly welcome you all to this function. Syed Madani Charitable Trust Ullal. Syed Madani Charitable Ullal is having a team of selfless, dedicated teachers. Your unwavering commitment, guidance and passion for nurturing young minds inspire every student to strive for excellence. Your tireless efforts, guidance not only shape the minds of our students, but also inspire them to aim high, play fair and embrace teamwork. Behind every successful student stands a teacher whose hard work makes excellence possible. We honor and celebrate your invaluable contribution in nurturing the talents, building and motivating our young champions. On behalf of the management and HMs of all the institutions, I wholeheartedly welcome all the teachers of Syed Madani Charitable Trust. Children are world's most valuable resource and best hope for the future. My dear children, you are the center of this function. You are the future of the country. The energy and enthusiasm you bring to this celebration are the testament to the bright future ahead. I heartily welcome all my dear students to this function. I delighted to welcome the esteemed members of the media, VLTV, Safwan and team. Your presence helps us to share the achievements with the wider community. We sincerely appreciate your support in highlighting and encouraging the talents, efforts and dedication of our young champions. On behalf of the staff and students of Syed Madani Charitable Trust, I wholeheartedly welcome you. And also I welcome the technical people, those who are present here, who is supporting our event. I wholeheartedly welcome you all. Once again, I welcome all to this function. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your adorable welcome. Every achievement begins with the courage to take the first step. We now proceed with the official inauguration of the Combined Annual Sports Meets Invictus 2025. I request our Honorable Chief Guest, UT Iftikhar Ali, Chairman and Joy, on this auspicious day. Let's enjoy the beautiful moment with the This is signify the peace and joy on this auspicious day. Let's enjoy this beautiful moment with a big round of applause. Mele, mele, mele. I request our dignitaries to peace and joy on this auspicious day. Let's enjoy this beautiful.
Good morning, one and all. My respected the President and the Trust Chairman, Anif Sir, the dynamic officers of our rural constituency, Panchayat, new Commissioner Santosh Sir, the police officer Siddhappa Sir, the management trustees from Mustafa Sir to Nazi Sir to Abubakar to all the management trustees of Hazrat School and trust managements and school association president from Ejmadi Sir to one and all, and respected principal from Rasul Sir, Nasreen Ma'am, Nasima Ma'am, Sangeeta Ma'am, Pavitra Ma'am, and all the Imtiaz Sir, and all the respected principals and headmasters and administrators of the school. And my dear students who are sitting in the hot sun, I'm not going to talk much. I will talk only 5 minutes because it's not a good time to sit for you on the sunny side and be talking over the stage. And my respected parents and teachers of Hazrat School. My first visit as Health Commission Chairman to this school, I have visited more than 500 colleges and schools in the state as a Health Commission Chairman. I have more than 2 lakh students under me in my commission. But when I saw this discipline over your march past, I was impressed by the elder ones, by the blue cap and the red cap. I was impressed by the black cap and yellow cap in the little ones, and the band from the outside team and the march past by the black commandos. I heartfelt good on my being on my brother's UT Kadar's constituency, my late father UT Farid's contribution for this Hazrat school as a trustee member in those days, MLSins with the UK Ibrahim Haji and Tajul Ulama. I remember their dream come true for this Hazrat has come in the dream in the reality. In future, I feel that this Hazrat institution should turn into a college like allied courses, paramedical courses, pharmacy college. It should turn into institutions of a degree colleges, not only in the 10th and 12th. As I've told your chairman, sir, education is a prime in our community. As the chairman of the commission, I am the sanctioning head of this physiotherapy, speech therapy, occupation therapy, pharmacy, allied, high courses, a lot of courses where 12th science students should study. And Hazrat School, if any 12th standard students are there for education, I give a lot of free education for women and boys, girls and boys. I will owe you that 20 students from the Hazrat School, I'll give free education in paramedical and allied courses in coming academic year.
Give a big round of applause, everyone, for his golden words.
And I will come now. I won't talk today much because you are in a sunny place to sit today. Inshallah, I will visit soon as orientation career guidance class, talk to you all. Last time I went to Isliya school, then I went to Amber Valley, lot of schools in Mudipu. One day I have decided this under my UT Farid Foundation, I am going to keep a career guidance classes for 12th standards kids from science, commerce and arts. What is your future in career academy? So thank you Hazrat management for inviting me. Thank you parents for listening to me. Thank you teachers for being so disciplined and so systematic. Physical directors, physical teachers, non-teaching faculty members of Hazrat institution. Thank you, thank you.
For your valuable words and inspirational words to our students and fairness, integrity and true sportsmanship. Let us now take the sports oath. I invite the sports captain Muhammad Munir Abdullah and the head girl Sara Sabiha representing all 4 schools to lead the oath. Leaders along with their team will raise right hand for the oath and all the school captain to come forward and render oath.
The students of Sayyid Madani Charitable Trust promise to take part in this sports day with honesty and discipline. We will follow the rules, respect the judges, and play with true sportsmanship. We play for the honor of our team and the pride of our institution.
I request all the students to disperse into their respective team.
We now felicitate the national, state and division level players from our institution who have brought pride and recognition to our management. Champions are not made in comfort but through commitment and perseverance.
(2025) state level player Zaid Firoz and Fazal, please come forward. 2025 division level football player Zainul Abidin, Ashraf Muhammad Sahad. Zainul, state level player Zaid Firoz and Fazal.
Zaid Firoz, 3 times national player. Last year, present year, he was a state represented. He is a proud of our institution. Even more the Fazal, he is represented state level 2 times, even from the primary and high school. He also the proud of our institution. We congratulate my dear boys. It is a great privilege to us to honor such kind of a talented, outstanding students. Ashraf Muhammad Shad on the stage. He also the state level player for the 2 times from our institution, from the primary and high school. It's a great moment to honor them. Congratulations, my dear boys. On the stage now, the Murshid. Next, Kaiser, Anfal, please be ready. My dear boys, please forward. On the stage, Murshid, first time a division player. I hope for the next time to reach a national. Best of luck. Next, Kaiser on the stage is the first time division player. Congratulations, my dear boy. I hope for the next to reach a national, to uphold the glory of our institution. On the stage, Anfal bin Ashraf is a division player for the first time. Congratulations, my dear boy. On the stage now, M. Hamdan, please come forward. Muhammad Rafil, Bashim, Shayan, Shaz, Bihari, Malik, Fahim and Salman. On the stage, Hamdan, Muhammad Rafil following him, and the Bashim for the next. Shayan, Shaz, President. Fine. Congratulations, Fahim on the stage. He should reach this time for the state level, but he sacrificed his position to some younger one. Congratulations, my dear boys. All the boys, those who uphold the glory of our institutions. You are the proud of our institution. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, all the guests. Now I would like to call.
Now I request to call our chief guest, P.S. Siddhappa, Assistant Sub-Inspector of Police, Ullal. Please address the gather with your golden words.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭ ಮುಂಜಾನೆ. ನಾನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೊತ್ತು ಮಾತಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸಿದ್ದಪ್ಪ ನರ್ನೂರ್ ಅಂತ, ಉಳ್ಳಾಲ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಠಾಣೆಗೆ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ನಿಯುಕ್ತಿಗೊಂಡಿರುವಂಥ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸಬ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ರು. ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಸೀನರಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿರಿಯರಿಗೂ ಹಾಗೂ ಮುಖಂಡರಿಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮುಂಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕರಿಂದ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ವಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸ್ತಾ, ಈ ದಿನ ಏನು ನಮ್ಮ ಹಜರತ್ ಸೈಯದ್ ಮದನಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಆ್ಯನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಇಲಾಖೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಉಳ್ಳಾಳ ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು. ಈ ಆಗಲೇ ನಮ್ಮದು ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದರು, ಏನಂತೇಳಿದರೆ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಲೀಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ ಅಥವಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ದೇಹದಾಢ್ಯ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅವರು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂತೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ ಶೈಲಿ ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮದು ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಕೂಟ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ನಡೀತದೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ಮನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂಥ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಡಿಗೊಡದೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಟ ಆಡಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಗೆಲುವು ಸೋಲು ಈ ಕ್ರೀಡೆಯ ಒಂದು ಅವಿಭಾಜ್ಯ ಅಂಗ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೋತವರು ಫುಲ್ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಗೆದ್ದವರು ಮೇಲಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರೀಡೆಯ ಒಂದು ಭಾಗ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿ ಆಟ ಆಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಈ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಜರತ್ ಸೈಯದ್ ಮದನಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಅಂತ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತಾ ನಾನು 2 ಮಾತು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು, ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್.
Thank you, sir, for your adorable word. We are excited to hear some words by our Commissioner of Ullal Town Municipality, Santosh sir. Please address the gathering with your golden word.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಈ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುವಂಥ ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರೇ ಮತ್ತು ಶಾಲಾ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರು ಮತ್ತು ಮುಖ್ಯೋಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯರೇ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ತಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಬಹಳ ಸನ್ನದ್ಧರಾಗಿ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ತುಂಬ ಹೊತ್ತಿಂದ ಬಿಸಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ನಾನು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾತಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಕ್ರೀಡೆಯನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಿ ಗೆಲುವು ಮತ್ತು ಸೋಲನ್ನು ಸಮಭಾವದಿಂದ ಸ್ವೀಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಏನು ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ತನ್ನಿ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಈ ಊರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಹೆಸರಂತ ತನ್ನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Thank you, sir, for your golden words. To kick off our grand opening ceremony and lead our proud athletes in the march past, Saint Sebastian English Medium School band said their powerful rhythm are the heartbeat of our sports day. So I request Sebastian School to receive a token of gratitude from the charitable trust, Sayyid Madani Charitable Trust. PT teacher Praveen sir. A small gratitude from our Hazrat Sayyid Madani Charitable Trust, embodying the energy and discipline we cherish for a day of excellence. Give them a huge round of applause. Thank you, sir. Now I request our President B.J. Hanifaji to address the presidential speech on this auspicious day.
ಅಸ್ಸಲಾಮು ಅಲೈಕುಂ ವರಹಮತುಲ್ಲಾಹ್. ಸಹೋದರರಾದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ಸೈಯದ್ ಮದನಿ ಚಾರಿಟೇಬಲ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಇದರ 16 ಶಾಲಾ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳ ಪೈಕಿ ಸೈಯದ್ ಮದನಿ ಹಜರತ್ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಶಾಲೆ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸೈಯದ್ ಮದನಿ ಹಜರತ್ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಶಾಲೆ ಕಲ್ಲಾಪು, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸೈಯದ್ ಮದನಿ ಹಜರತ್ ಆಂಗ್ಲ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಶಾಲೆ ಅಲೇಕಲ ಇದರ ಜಂಟಿ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಕೂಟದ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ನಮ್ಮ ಉಳ್ಳಾಳದ ನಗರಸಭೆ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ಸರ್ ಸಂತೋಷ್ ರವರು, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಉಳ್ಳಾಳದ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ಸಿದ್ದಪ್ಪ ಸರ್ ರವರು, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸೈಯದ್ ಮದನಿ ಚಾರಿಟೇಬಲ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ನ ಜನರಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಇಂತಿಯಾಜ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು, ದರ್ಗಾ ಸಮಿತಿಯ ಕೋಶಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ನಾಜಿಮ್ ರವರು, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆನಂದರ ಆಶ್ರಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಮುಖ್ಯೋಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯರು, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸೈಯದ್ ಮದನಿ ಚಾರಿಟೇಬಲ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಇದರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸದಸ್ಯರು, ಪದಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ದರ್ಗಾ ಸಮಿತಿ ಸದಸ್ಯರುಗಳು, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಾಲಾ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳ ಮುಖ್ಯೋಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯರು, ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು, ತುಂಬ ಹೊತ್ತು ಮಾತಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮಾತಾಡುವ ಸಮಯವೂ ಅಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ತುಂಬ ಸಮಯದಿಂದ ಬಿಸಿಲಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಕ್ರೀಡೆ ಎಂಬುದು ಕೇವಲ ಶಾಲಾ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಸೀಮಿತ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಒಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ಜೀವನ ಉದ್ದಕ್ಕೂ ಕ್ರೀಡೆಯು ಅತ್ಯವಶ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸೈಯದ್ ಮದನಿ ಚಾರಿಟೇಬಲ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ನ ಅಧೀನದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಾಲಾ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಪಠ್ಯೇತರ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ ಪಠ್ಯದ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಉತ್ತಮ ರಂಗದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ನೀಡಲು ಕಾರಣಕರ್ತರಾದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕರದವರು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಅವರನ್ನು ಮರೆಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಹಗಲು ರಾತ್ರಿ ತುಂಬ ನಮಗೆ ಅವರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಭಿನಂದನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಷ್ಟು ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ತುಂಬ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸೈಯದ್ ಮದನಿ ಚಾರಿಟಬಲ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಅಧೀನದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಾಲಾ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕರು ಮುಖ್ಯೋಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯರನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ನ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ತುಂಬ ದಿವಸದಿಂದ ನೀವು ಕಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಮರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನಿಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಸೈಯದ್ ಮದನಿ ಚಾರಿಟಬಲ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಅಧೀನದ ಶಾಲಾ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಭವಿಷ್ಯವು ಉಜ್ವಲವಾಗಲಿ ಎಂದು ಹಾರೈಸುತ್ತಾ, ಇನ್ಶಾ ಅಲ್ಲಾ ಇದೇ 25ರಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ಶಾಸಕರು, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಸಭಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ UT ಖಾದರ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಅನೇಕ ಗಣ್ಯರು ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ಶಾ ಅಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಕರಿಸಿರಿ, ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿರಿ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮುಕ್ತಾಯಗೊಳಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಅಸ್ಸಲಾಮು ಅಲೈಕುಂ ವರಹಮತುಲ್ಲಾಹಿ.
Thank you, sir. Now I call upon our tiny toys to exhibit their talent. A ring dance from Hazrat Sayyid Madani Ullal. Teachers, please make students ready for the drill competition.
Work and collaboration. Hazrat Sayyid Madani Ullal are here to show the ring dance drill. for your wonderful ring dance. Now, our tiny tots from Hazrat Sayyid Madani Ali Kala are here to steal your hearts by cute choo-choo train. By Hazrat Sayyid Madani Ali Kala.
قطار صغير في الغاب يسير يحمل فاكهة بطعم لذيذ وجاء قطاري الأصغر يحمل تفاحا أحمر وجاء قطاري الأصغر يحمل تفاحا أحمر كل التفاح صغير الفيل يأكله كله ينمو أقوى ويكون بخير وجاء قطاري الأصغر يحمل معه موزا أصفر وجاء قطاري الأصغر يحمل معه موزا أصفر وكل الموز صغير القرد يأكله كله ينمو أقوى ويكون بخير قطاري الأصغر يأتي يحمل عنبا بنفسجي قطاري الأصغر يأتي يحمل عنبا بنفسجي وكل العنب صغير الثعلب يأكله كله ينمو أقوى ويكون بخير
Watch our students from Hazrat Sayyid Madani Ali Kala display focus, rhythm and synchron.
Thank you.
Madani Kallab will now present the Starry Drill, showcasing coordination and beauty. Please welcome them with applause. was indeed an exploring spectacle. A huge round of applause for all our drill students. As we express our gratitude, we must never forget that the highest appreciation is not and all who contributed to the success of the combined sports meet. Welcome you, sir.
Respected honorable guests who all gathered here, very good morning to one and all. It's my pleasure to give the vote of thanks for all the chief guests. First of all, I express my gratitude to Janab Hanifaji sir, President of Sayyid Madani Charitable Trust and Dargah Ullal. Sir, your visionary leadership's constant support of guidance for our future. On behalf of the school and management, I heartily thank you, sir. I extend my gratitude heartfelt to Dr. Iftikhar Ali sir, Chairman of Karnataka Allied Health and Council. On behalf of the school and management, heartfelt thank you, sir. We deeply honored to thanks Sir PSI Siddhappa sir, Sub Inspector Ullala Town Police, on behalf of his absent. I heartfelt thank you, sir. My extend gratitude to Janab Nazim Rahman sir, Treasurer of Sayyid Madani Dargah Ullal. On behalf of the school and management, I heartfelt thank you, sir. Now I would like to thank Janab Imtiaz Hussain sir, Secretary of Sayyid Madani, General Secretary of Sayyid Madani Charitable Trust. On behalf of the school and management, heartfelt thank you, sir. I would like to thank Janab Abu Bakr Bukkache sir, Treasurer of Sayyid Madani Charitable Trust. On behalf of the school and management, heartfelt thank you, sir. Now I thank Sri Gurumurthy sir, Headmaster of Anand Ashram. On behalf of the school and management, heartfelt thank you, sir. I would like to thank Mohan sir, CRP Ullala Cluster. On behalf of the school and management, I heartfelt thank you, sir. And I would like extend my sincere gratitude to all my heads of institution, Janab KMK Manjanadi sir, Dr. Sangeeta ma'am, Pavitra ma'am, Nasima Banu, Ramlat Banu, Geeta ma'am. Heartfelt thank you, sir. We extend our thankful to Janab Rasul Khan sir, Headmaster of Hazrat Sayyid Madani English Medium School. Sir, your hard work, dedicated effort throughout planning behind the annual sports meet truly made us a mastermind of this program.
Everyone give a big round of applause.
On behalf of the school and management,
And Kali
I heartfelt
sir,
thank
and
you,
all the-
sir. Our sincere thank to Kali sir, PT Physical Education Director, for your dedication, effort of the preparation of this annual sports meet. Sir, once again, I heartfelt thanks to you, sir. On behalf of the school and management, Janab PD Ashraf sir, PD of Hazrat Sayyid Madani Halekala. On behalf of the school and management, I heartfelt thank you. My heartfelt thanks is to Janab Rashid sir, PD of Tipu Sultan College. On behalf of the school and management, heartfelt thank you. By concluding my words, my best thanks to all my beloved teachers of Hazrat Institution, Sayyid Madani Charitable Trust, to preparing the wonderful program for this occasion. Once again, thank you. My heartfelt thanks to B4 Live and the sounds. Once again, thank you. And my dear students and my dear friends, once again, thank you. Thank you one and all.